I'm going to show you how I wash and refresh my Fulani braids. You may be wondering why I did my hair like this, why I took out some parts. It makes it easier for me to braid instead of worrying about lining my hair again. I don't have to do that, so I like to do this method. And then I'm going to go in with my shampoo. So I just put that on my scalp because, yeah, I need my scalp to be clean. And I'm just going to massage the shampoo into my hair. And I do the same thing to the back of my hair as well. I like to put the shampoo in between the braids at the back because I'm not going to be washing the whole hair. So I'm just going to be washing my scalp. And then what I'm going to do is wrap my hair around and put a shower cap as well. So just to prevent water from getting into the rest of the hair. After washing, I use my towel to dry my hair. And then I use my multi-peptide hair serum because my edges are struggling right now. So I just go in with my multi-peptide hair serum and rub it into my edges. And then after that, I start blow drying my hair. This hair dryer, honestly, I can't recommend it enough. It just makes my life easier. You can see how it stretch out my hair with no stress at all. So I highly recommend this hair dryer. And then I go in with my the African hair cream. So I put that into my scalp, then I just to oil my scalp. Obviously, from the washing, from the shampoo washing, you've stripped my scalp of oil. So I'd like to go in with this hair cream just to make sure my scalp is well moisturized. And then I started braiding my hair. So I started braiding my hair. I think I've already braided one prior to that, and then I took that one out and rebraid that part. So again, as you can see, I don't need to worry about lining the hair all over again. So yeah, I could just kind of go through the same process with the rest of the hair. And then here I started to take out the other hairs that I left behind before. So I'm going to take all of that out and then rebraid those parts. So now I go to the back section. So what I do here is just add a bit of cream and a bit of gel onto the hair, twist it a little bit, and then I crochet it in. So the part that, so some parts are very loose, so I crochet it twice, and the ones that are not that loose, I just crochet in once. And I did the same thing for the rest of the hair. To be fair, I only did the part that you can see, so I kind of did it all the way around. I left the middle part because nobody's looking at the middle part because my hair is going to be pat down anyway. So yeah, I just did the part that people can see easily. And then after that, I went in with my hair mousse, put that all over my hair, and then I added some hair spritz as well, to just make sure that the hair lay down properly and neatly. And then I put on my scarf to make sure that everything laid down. So if you're like me, struggling with bald edges, and you want it to look a bit fuller, I like to go in with my elf eyeliner. Put a hair liner in between the strands that are sort of bold, and then I use my hand to just smudge it in to just make it look a bit more natural. And as you can see, it's looking a bit more natural, and I think because I have spritz on it as well, it helps the eyeliner to stay in properly.